Hey guys, guess what time it is? It's giveaway time. Today I have May's giveaway, so please stay tuned till the end for your chance to enter. Hi guys, I'm Kelsey and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And yes guys, you heard right. Today's video is one of two giveaways that we have for the month of May. But before that, let me remind you to please follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at Always Sunshine. A little bit of love over there, a little bit of love over here. Also, please like, share, and subscribe if you do love this wonderful channel. Not forgetting the notification button, because like I just said, yes guys, we have two giveaways for the month of May. So with that being said, now let's get into these babies. So now the first product that the lucky winner of this giveaway will be receiving, it is the Pharmacy Daily Green Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This baby right here. And guys, I did take a little bit of notes like I do for my regular videos to give you some information about the product. So if you do see me looking down, it's just digging for some information. So this baby has 4.2 stars, and it said it is an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, long-lasting hydration while helping to clear pores and reduce the shine. It says to apply in the morning and at night. This baby right here, I have used it before. I've received it twice already from my subscription boxes. I do recommend it. I do myself give it 4.5 stars. So I said one lucky winner should be receiving this baby for the month of May. So this is the first product. Let's move on to the next one. The next one, guys, it is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. This baby right here. This is a 4.3 star product. It says it hydrates your skin, it heals and is smoothing, it strengthens the skin. It says you can use it as needed daily, morning, night, before or after makeup. It is self-explanatory. This is like just a spray mist that you can spray to hydrate your face, or also if you want maybe to set in a little bit of the products when you go for a natural look. I wouldn't recommend it on heavy product, as it is not a setting spray. It is just a mist. So this is like more for your beach or a fun Sunday. And you know guys, summer is coming up, so I said this puppy, one lucky winner will enjoy it. Next product, let me switch my paper over. This baby is Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set, and is this baby right here. It says perfect your eyes with one of our cruelty-free brush sets for eyeshadow and eyeliners. It will help you achieve your diva look. And it is from Beauty London, and if I am not mistaken, it brings 4 to 5 brushes. Let me just make sure. I don't want to give you guys wrong information. Yes, it does does bring 4 brushes, and it is for eyeshadows and eyeliners. So one lucky winner is going to be very happy with that. Now the next product, I have used it before because it's from one of my favorite brands. If you guys do follow my channel, you know, because I have a couple of videos with this brand, and it is my lovely from PUR Cosmetics, and I do have a couple of videos on them, so you could go check them out. This is the PUR Lip Gloss Stick, and it is High Shine Lip Color. This baby right here. They do have over 15 different shades, but the lucky winner will be receiving Very Pretty, which is kind of like a berry shade. I picked this color because the next product that the lucky winner will be receiving goes perfect with this baby. But before we go into that product, I do want to give you a little bit more about this one. It said it's super hydrating lip gloss in an easy to use self-sharpening pencil. Yes guys, it also brings its own pencil, so it's not going to be no mess around the house. A very good product. Last but not least, or least but not last, I knew you guys, before I try to give this product away, I think I gave it away before, or I did I think it was a tutorial video on it. This baby right here, and it is also from PUR Cosmetics. This is the PUR Cosmetic Festival 2.0. This baby has 4.2 stars in their website, and it says get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette. This baby right here, I own it. The one that the lucky winner will be receiving receiving is this baby right here. But I do want to show you guys the actual colors and swatch some of them, because as you see, it's a little bit messy because this is mine. But my favorite color from this one, guys, is this intense pink color right here. I'm gonna swatch. That's the first one I'm gonna swatch for you, so you guys can see this actual pink color. Now the next color I do want to swatch will be this purple right here. This is a metallic purple, guys. All of these are pigment they pressed. This will be the like I call it like a violet, like a summery violet color, not too strong on the purple, not too light on the lilac. Now the last color I do want to swatch for you guys, let's see, let's do this one right here. And this is to me like a midnight blue. You guys can see that. These colors are very, very, very pressed. So the lucky winner should be really impressed. Like I told you guys, this is my personal one that I love. And that's why I decided to send to get this baby to put it in this giveaway. So now let's do a quick recap of the products that the lucky winner will be receiving in this giveaway for the month of May. So like I just have in my hand, it will be the PUR 12-piece pigmented palette. We do have the Diva brush set, so you can actually apply this. I was like, this is going to be beautiful. You do have the berry lip gloss, also from PUR. You do have the Stella and Grace and Stella Rose Mist. And you also have your papaya moisturizer. For when you take all your products away, you clean it with this baby. So I will see you in a little bit, guys. So guys, those were the products that one lucky winner will be receiving for this of 2 giveaways for the month of March. Guys, I do know that sometimes it does take me a little long to actually post up the videos, but I do want you to understand that it does take me some time to put my giveaways together. Like, I'm the type of person that if I'm gonna put a giveaway together, like especially this one, I like to get products that are cohesive together. Like you see that I try most of the time to put a brush set with a palette, because I actually want you guys to have the actual products to apply it with. Sometimes I try to get the shade of lipsticks that actually goes with the palette. So I want you guys to know that most of the products that I put on giveaway are from subscription boxes, but some of the products I do purchase them myself, because sometimes it does take, or maybe some of the prescription boxes just don't bring the products that I do want to give to you guys. So I do sometimes purchase some products like this baby right here. I purchased it myself. I purchased a lot of products from PUR Cosmetics. So please guys, bear with me sometimes if it does take me 1 or 2 days to actually put the video up, or actually sometimes even the winners of the video up. It does take us sometimes to actually put videos together, put the products that I really want, because I really don't want to put you like a cream, or maybe like say 3 creams and 2 lipsticks. No, I want to do most of the time. And if you guys, most of you that follow me could actually notice the giveaways I have before, I always tell you I like doing a cohesive face of makeup. So most of the time I try to include a palette. I also try to include a product. I always try to include a face cleaner or a moisturizer. I always try to put in lip liners. So guys, please bear with me if it does take me a couple of days to put them together. I hope you do like the cohesiveness of this one. If you don't, or if you prefer something else, just please let me know in the comments below. But I try to do my best. So like I said, guys, please bear with me. Now, with that being said, let's get into the official rules of this giveaway. Rule number 1, guys, as you all may know, and for those newcomers, welcome. Late in the video, but welcome. And this is the first rule of all my videos. You do have to be subscribed to my channel. And rule number 2, there is a saying that we all know that says, April showers brings May's flowers. Yes, guys. So in this giveaway, the actual giveaway word will be flowers, hashtag flowers in all capital letters. You have to put it in this video. In this video below, number 1, you must be subscribed to the channel. And number 2, in this video, hashtag capital letters, the word flowers for the month of May. So guys, there you go. Very, very, very simple. Do want to remind you before all of that, and before I do forget, you can follow me on Twitter. Please do Twitter. Please do Instagram. I'll be there. Check me out. Love over here. Also, notification button, very important. This is one of 2 giveaways that we have for this month of May. By the time this video is up, I will be working in the next one, guys. That one is coming real quick, real soon. So please stay tuned. This is Kelsey from AllwaySunshine. Love to everybody. See you, and please do not forget these 2 videos.